Our very life is made of water. Our very body's liquid life. And yet we flounder in pollution, where river, ocean waste is rife. The water wasted cannot nourish. There is no infinite supply. We're ending future life to flourish. Will generations ask us why? It's just a sense of preservation to honor gifts we have received. Keep water clean through conservation and show our children we believe. Respect our water's living power. It's just a simple give and take. Honor water's sacred shower. Decide the world we want to make. We are the water world we live in. It's part of you, it's part of me. And when we honor that conclusion, we find the steps to set Earth free.